Welcome back everyone. In this video we are talking about how to use your phone as a webcam in OBS Studio. There are two ways. The first way is going to be a universal cam, so you can download an app and it can be used on anything like on your browser, on your Zoom meeting or anything. And the other way can only be used inside OBS Studio. So let's start by the first one. The first one, we are going to need an app called Iron Webcam. Right now we have our phone. We need this one called Iron Webcam. Download it on your phone and also on your PC. Download it, open your browser and search for Iron Webcam and download it from the official website. Just click on download for Windows and start downloading. Now after you download the app, you will find an installer like this, Iron Webcam. This is it. Install it on your PC. Just you know how to do it, just next. Right now I have it installed, so it's going to install again. Next, install. Go to your settings and scroll down until you find developer options. This developer options needs to be activated. How to activate it? You need to go about phone, software information and build number. Keep clicking on this build number until it says developer mode has already been enabled. And now go back and you'll find a new option called developer options. If you don't know how to get it, search on YouTube how to enable developer options and type your phone name and then scroll down here until you found USB debugging. This is what we need to enable this USB debugging and it should work. Let's finish this. Now open this. This is the app Iron Webcam. Let's open it. And let's open the same app on our phone. Give it permissions to use your camera, to use your mic and this stuff. It's just a simple startup. Open it on your phone. Now screen copy might not work. So right now, as you can see, this is my phone camera right now. Or the opposite. Okay, this is my phone right now. You can change your camera from here on your phone. Back. Let's rotate our phone. Okay everyone, so now I'm back. I have my Iron Webcam working on my phone and let's add it on our PC, video capture device. Now open Iron Webcam. Okay, now we have our Iron Webcam. Let's open it. Now on my phone, if I do this, right now it's working on my phone. Let's see again why it's not working. Open it. It's now working. Okay, now we have it as a webcam using my phone. As you can see here, now I can crop it. I can do whatever I want. Now you can crop it, you can use it as a normal webcam just like anyone you have. So like here, add it here. So this Iron Webcam can be used on any app, not just OBS Studio, but there's also another one to use in OBS Studio and it's a plugin. So I'm going to show you how. Let's delete Iron Webcam for now. Now you are going to need to download this app, DroidCam OBS. This is called DroidCam OBS. It's an app made only for OBS Studio. So open it on your phone and also you need to download it on your PC. So open your browser and search for OBS DroidCam plugin. And go to this, the first DroidCam OBS camera. This is a plugin for OBS Studio. Click and go to download. Now from here, scroll down and download this DroidCam setup.exe file. Download this file on your PC. After you download it on your PC, you will find a file like this, DroidCam OBS. Now let's start installing. I agree, next, install. Right now it's already installed, so ignore this, finish. So right now, on our phone, we have our DroidCam working. So restart your OBS Studio and click on sources and start adding. You will find a new source called DroidCam OBS. Add it. Okay. Now you can use Wi-Fi or you can use USB cable. If you want to use Wi-Fi, just connect your phone and your PC on the same network and you'll find it here. Click on refresh device list. Right now I'm going to connect using USB. Now it shows me my phone. This is my phone, select it. And let's put the resolution to 1080p. Okay, and activate. The Wi-Fi will be from here. Okay, right now, as you can see, it's working. I can use it as you can see here. So it's working right now and showing everything in front of me. And you can also change, let's change to the front camera. Okay, this is it, and we can use it. We can use the front camera from here, so we can add it. Okay, let's minimize this because it's covering the screen. Now we have it, our DroidCam OBS. all the settings. If you want to connect from Wi-Fi, you will connect it from here. You will find all the numbers. Just copy it. But it has a watermark using DroidCam app. You can buy the app if you want, or you can watch an ad and have a 1 hour for free without any watermark. So this is it, and use it as any other webcams that you have, and you can add your filters and everything, and this is how it goes. So this was the other way. This is only available for OBS Studio. You can't use it in anything else. It's just for OBS Studio. So this was one, but the good thing is you don't need any apps running in the background like Iron Webcam or anything else. Enable audio. You can enable audio from here if you want. Deactivate, refresh. Let's connect again, activate. You can select enable audio and click on activate. And you will find a new mic here. This mic is from DroidCam OBS. So now you are going to use it as a webcam and a mic at the same time. So everyone, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.